Good afternoon and welcome to AGORACOM Small Cap Stock News. It's Tuesday, February the 25th, 2014. I'm Alan Barry Labucan. I'm the Chief Market Commentator for AGORACOM. Every day I go through my morning routine. I look through a bunch of press releases with the goal of trying to find some good companies for you to do your homework on and find some investment winners in there. We generally try to keep it to about a 10-minute time frame. I only have 3 companies to talk about today. All these companies have some good news, but not a lot of companies to talk about today, so we shouldn't have any problem getting it in at around the 10-minute time frame. The first company I'm going to talk about today is Paramount Gold and Silver Corp. Paramount Gold and Silver Corp announced the drill results that they've intersected 18 meters of 4.46 grams per ton gold and 434 grams per ton silver from their Dawn SA infill program at San Miguel. That's a very nice drill hole intersections there. They've found several others in this drilling. Nice combination of high-grade gold and also very good grades of silver. That's a formidable combination. Just taking a look at the stock, it's down 4 cents today to $1.53 on only 14,000 shares traded hands. Just looking at the stock chart right now, this one's been on a very good move since the lows that it hit in January. Was trading at about 88 cents in January, recently touched $1.60. That's a pretty substantial move in a short period of time, but it's been going kind of sideways for the last couple of weeks, and I think it's sort of at one of those inflection points. I know that they're working and they're going to have good news flow, so my suspicion would be that it would be breaking out to the upside from here. I'm going to do some more homework. This is one I think I could be talking about on the end of the week show, our Best of the Best and weekly news show that George Cholis and I do. I like Paramount's projects a lot. Their stock symbol is PZG, and they trade on Toronto. Next up is Scorpio Gold. Scorpio Gold reported on the expansion of their drilling at their Brody satellite deposit, which is part of the Mineral Ridge project in Nevada. This is a 70% owned project, and they had some very nice highlight holes there. 2.48 grams per ton gold over 7.62 meters, 3.07 grams per ton gold over 3 meters, 2.48 grams per ton gold over 9.14 meters. So a good project down there in Nevada. Just taking a look at the stock right now, and it's flat on the day at 32 cents on 79,000 shares traded hands. Just pulling up the stock chart right now, and it's been on a very good move since the lows back in December, late November, early December, and I really like the way this chart is shaping up. Looks to have more upside. It's heading into a classic sort of bullish trend. This is another one that I think I could talk about on the Friday show, the Best of the Best of the weekly news show. SGN is their stock symbol. They trade on the Venture Exchange. And the final company today is Kirkland Lake Gold. Kirkland Lake Gold had an announcement of a big intersection of very high grade. They had a 1.4 foot intersection of 50 ounces per ton gold. That drill core must have been just crammed full of drill core over rock. That's a pretty spectacular sort of result. And they had other high grade in there as well, so it's definitely one to take a close look at these drill results. Kirkland Lake Gold has a lot of good things going on for the company. Stock's up 4 cents today to $4 even on 324,000 shares traded. Just looking at the stock chart, and this is another one that's been in a classic bullish trend, higher highs, higher lows. And since back the lows in December, It's in a narrow trading range. It's trading well above its 20/50 and 100-day moving averages. This is a very bullish trend that I think could sustain that bullish kind of action. So definitely one I'll be considering for the Friday show. So that's our news for today. As usual, as always, it's important for you to do your own homework and speak with your financial advisors before making any investment decisions. As always, we from Monday to Thursday, I do the daily news shows. I go and pick news from companies and try to find some good ones for you to take a look at. And then we do our best of the best on the end of the week, either Friday or Saturday, depending on the schedule of both George and I. But we're having some great shows, lots of great companies in the daily shows, in the weekly show. I hope you can join us for all of them. Have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.